Anna, thy charms my bosom fire, by Robert Burns, written to the tune of Bonny Mary. Anna, thy charms my bosom fire, and press my soul with care, but how bootless to admire when fated to despair. Yet in thy presence, lovely fair, to hope may be forgiven, for sure 'twere impious to despair so much in sight of heaven. Anna was Anne Stewart, the object of desire of Burns's friend Alexander Cunningham. So he wrote it from his friend's point of view. He liked the lyric enough to send it to be published in a newspaper, the London Star, 1789, and then it was published in Scots Musical Museum posthumously with this melody, which I believe Burns indicated for it. The melody is found in James Oswald's The Caledonian Pocket Companion, which was Burns' most used set of tunes. And Oswald had published it previously in his curious collection of Scots tunes with the bass line, which is what I'm playing on the guitar here. Excuse me. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel for more burping and so on. And working on a book called Songs of Burns. This will be in there with the guitar part and all that.